Raj ki baat, 1386th episode of Nagpur's most happening Facebook live show. Raj ki baat, Junior of the Year ke saath. Really want to thank SIP Abacus presenting Raj ki baat, Junior of the Year in association with Priyadarshini Nagpur Public School with a motto to inspire to achieve. Also want to thank Param Investments, LIC bole to Vinay Sahu. Also a big thank you to New Health City Hospital at Lokmat Square, one of the best hospitals for children, and also Money Edge and Strawberry Farms. आज के जो हमारे मेहमान हैं वो he is a super dude. He's good in studies, he's good at smiling and wants to become a computer engineer. Please welcome the creative and the handsome Tanmay Rathi. Hi Tanmay.
Hi sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Good. You just gave your exams for the 10th standard. कितने परसेंट आएंगे?
Sir, वो 90%.
Above 90%. क्या बात. अब स्कूल छूट गया तन्मय.
Yes sir.
तो when you look back, you know, how have been your years in Priyadarshini Nagpur Public School?
It was the golden years of life, sir. Like those benches, enjoying with friends, listening to teachers, interested in everything, growing in every field, sir. Like,
So you have participated in what? All school activities?
yes sir, like in Olympiads, sports, every sort of thing.
So when you look at your school, what kind of initiatives your school takes for making your life good?
Sir, like school gives us opportunity to grow in every field, like in sports to in academics, participating in various exams, in various school level competitions, district levels, and motivates us to do many great things in our life.
तो यारो ये दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये गाना आपने पूरे अपने प्रियदर्शनी नागपुर पब्लिक स्कूल के जीवन में कितनी बार गाया है?
सर गाया तो बहुत बार है, मतलब फेयरवेल में अभी 10th में बहुत
बार गाया है और
वो दिमाग में चलते रहता था कि अब बस ये खत्म, वो फेयरवेल का जो टाइम ये खत्म, ये एरा खत्म अब.
तो ये जो स्कूल के जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ये बड़े स्पेशल होते हैं. सो ओवर दीज इयर्स आपके सबसे अच्छे दोस्त कौन से? कैन यू काउंट देम ऑन योर फिंगर्स?
या लाइक many were there, but most were like my one of friend Parv Pahuja, Dev Vyas, Tanish Klimanpure, Rohit Agrawal, Prisha Gupta, and Uttara Shingne. Soham Agrekar too.
So all these friends will now go to different colleges, probably have different aspirations in life. You want to become a computer engineer, yeah? तो उसके लिए क्या planning है? What have you thought about? क्या करना है अभी?
Like I am preparing for JEE exam entrance test, and want to be do for civil engineering from the best IIT college, and studying for that exam to crack it, and side by side I will try to like focus on few courses of coding that will help me to grasp in my college years.
पिछले कुछ सालों में सबसे अच्छा प्रियदर्श PNPS मोमेंट कौन सा है आपका?
Like first was my farewell, the recent one, and second when I got the book, like it was one of I written one article in it, and I got it from principal ma'am's hand, like it was the best. And when I was leading the parade.
So you were a school head boy?
No, I was the vice captain of Dronacharya House.
Okay, so and what's so special about your house?
Like the house, the team spirit in our house, and the competition spirit. Like we want to scale the top. We are the best Dronacharyans and the best house.
तो जब ये हाउस का हिस्सा बने थे, कभी आपने सोचा था कि एक दिन आप एक एक फेसबुक लाइव शो पर आएंगे एज अ गेस्ट?
नहीं,
नहीं.
कभी नहीं.
So do you also sing?
No.
You don't sing. So you're not even a bathroom singer.
No.
So what is that most creative thing which you have learned in the school, which you think will stay with you for all your life?
Like I learned playing basketball. It's like I was first going to coaching, but it stopped. And the skill I continued and enhanced of basketball playing in the school only.
And you'll remember that forever.
Yes sir.
अब लाइफ बदलने वाली है. स्कूल की कौन सी चीजें सबसे ज्यादा मिस करोगे?
सबसे पहले तो लाइक वो बेंचेस पे बैठना, वो वहाँ पे
तो बेंच ले जाओ ना, आप घर ले जाओ बेंच,
लेकिन
बेंच
साथ
पे बैठ रहे
के
हो।
दोस्त,
हाँ?
वो
अच्छा
साथ
दोस्त
के
है, हाँ,
टीचर्स
हाँ।
वो उन पे अटेंशन
हाँ।
नहीं दिया तो डांट खाना,
हाँ।
वो सब मिस करेंगे। फिर वो स्पोर्ट्स पीरियड के लिए झगड़ा करना कि नहीं हमको चाहिए स्पोर्ट्स पीरियड,
हाँ, हाँ।
इसके बिना नहीं।
ओके, देयर इज सो मेनी थिंग्स यार, आप बोलो ना मुझे मेरी स्कूल की याद आ रही है, स्पेशल डेज नहीं,
द स्कूल डेज,
ठीक
द
है।
बेस्ट वंस।
So this message will be for all the young boys and girls who are in the school, है ना?
Yes sir.
So what will be your message to them?
First of all, like enjoy your school days, but don't forget about studies too.
Hmm.
One should also focus on the studies.
Hmm.
Mainly, the key to success is two things: consistency
Hmm.
and never stopping the will.
Mhm.
Ki, I want to do the great in my life,
Hmm.
and enjoy your days
Mhm.
with a smile, like enjoying every moment of school.
Mhm.
Not only focusing on towards studies, and not only focusing towards play,
Mhm.
games and all.
Mhm.
Enjoy like with a balance.
I think this is a super suggestion to all these young buddies, छोटे छोटे वाले, you know, who are a part of PNPS, and also the ones जिनके पेरेंट्स ये शो देखेंगे और वो अपने बच्चों को एडमिट कराएंगे हमारी स्कूल में, है ना? Because the idea is to inspire and to achieve, and you have done both the work, you know, well, you know, organically, है ना? Organized way में आपने ये किया, and I congratulate you. The results are just around the corner. The coming month, the 10th standard results will be out. I'm sure about it that you'll definitely pass in, you know, flying colors, and you'll achieve everything in life. All the very best. And thank you for giving your time and being my guest.
Thank you sir.
Who's your favorite actress?
Favor.
Thank you so much, Tanmay. You're a great buddy. All right, तन्मय राठी से बात हुई, मुलाकात हुई इन राज की बात जूनियर ऑफ द ईयर। देखिए जो है बात जो है ना वो बड़ी सरल और बड़ी सीधी है कि स्कूल के दिन जो है ना वो बड़े खूबसूरत दिन होते हैं, लेकिन वो दिन तब खूबसूरत होते हैं जब आप एक ऐसी स्कूल का हिस्सा बनते हो जहां पर ना ही सिर्फ आप स्कूल जा रहे हो पढ़ने के लिए, लेकिन आप ऑल्सो एक ऐसी स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो जहां पर आप पे ध्यान पूरा रखा जा रहा है, क्योंकि आप पे जब ध्यान रखा जाता है तब आप बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं और अपनी लाइफ में आगे आगे बढ़ते हैं, है ना? किताबों से ही सब कुछ आप सीख नहीं सकते, कभी कभार ऐसे लोगों के साथ भी रहना जरूरी होता है जो आपको कुछ सिखाएं और अपने ज्ञान से आपको संज्ञान दिलाकर जीवन में आगे बढ़ाएं। जिंदा रहें। जय हिंद।